In this video, we are going to learn about the chapter People Who Made a Difference. Out of the millions and millions of people in the world, only few achieve greatness. Those people influence the lives of others by teaching or work. They could be religious leaders, social workers, scientists, and kings. Here we look at some great people who have affected the lives of the Indians. Hinduism. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions in the world. It began in India about 3600 years ago. Many religious leaders have helped Hinduism grow by making people understand the religion better. Hinduism has many holy books that were composed long ago. The most important are the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Bhagavad Gita. Adi Shankaracharya, Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati, and Swami Vivekanand are some of them who helped Hinduism grow. Buddhism. The teachings of Gautam Buddha gave birth to a new religion called Buddhism. He taught equality of all human beings and kindness to all living beings. Jainism. This religion is believed to have been started by Rishabdev, the first Tirthankara or spiritual leader. He preached kindness to all living beings. He urged people to live a simple life and follow the path of non-violence. Islam. Islam was founded by the Prophet Muhammad. It is believed that Islam is the word of God and that Muhammad was God's messenger on earth. Followers of Islam are known as Muslims. The holy book of Muslims is the Quran. Christianity. Christianity is a religion based on the teachings of Jesus Christ. He taught people to love God and other people and emphasized the importance of forgiveness. The holy book of the Christians is the Bible. Zoroastrianism, the religion of Parsi. Parsis believed in the teachings of Zoroaster. He taught that our duty is to be good and fight evil. The holy book of the Parsis is called the Zend Avesta. Sikhism. This religion was founded by Guru Nanak Dev. He believed that there is only one God and people had given him different forms and names. The holy book of the Sikhs is the Guru Granth Sahib. Social reformers. From time to time, evil practices take root in society. Brave people have fought against such practices like caste system, dowry system, child marriage and helped to improve society. Such people are called social reformers. Rajaram Mohan Roy. He fought against the evils of child marriage, caste system and sati, that is, burning of a widow along with the body of her husband. Ramabai Ranade. She was a social reformer of Maharashtra. She worked to improve the condition of women in India. Kings. Emperor Ashoka. He helped to spread Buddha's message of non-violence. He built free hospitals, roads, dharamshalas, wells, tanks for the welfare of the people. He was a kind and wise king and came to be known as Ashoka the Great. Krishnadevaraya. Krishnadevaraya ruled in South India about 500 years ago. He worked for the good of the people. The people were free to follow whatever religion they wanted. Scientists. Mathematics, astronomy, and medicine were well developed sciences in ancient India. The decimal system of numbers which everyone uses today was developed in India. The Ayurveda system of medicine, which is still popular, was developed in India thousands of years ago. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. Charaka was a famous physician and Sushruta a surgeon. Scientists in India has produced in the modern world are S. Ramanujan, J. C. Bose, C. V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai and APJ Abdul Kalam. These are the people who really influenced the lives of Indians.